One feature from Lumibricks and Bricksmax that I really love is something that a lot of people, I would not say forget, but don't mention very often. I mean, we all love Lumibricks for their amazing lights, for their prints, but I also love the PowerShare function. So as you see here, this building, those 3 cars, 1 motorcycle, and the bus station, everything is powered by just one power source. It is connected to the rear of the apartment building, as you see here, and down there you see my power bank. And then the power is transferred through all those via the PowerShare function. Actually, there are 2 different ways of how to transport the power. First thing is you can either use the Lumibricks PowerShare bricks. The problem is you can't buy them separately, only in a big pack. I will provide you the links for it. But as I said, quite expensive. There are also other PowerShare adapters that you can buy, and you can buy them separately, so way more cheaper. The problem is they are not 100% compatible with the Lumibricks ones. That means you can't use, let's say, one negative from Lumibricks at one side and a positive from Bricksmax on the other side. That does not work. But since they share the same power adapter to connect via the distribution panels, you can combine them. So let me show you how. The first thing, here you have your normal Lumibricks police car, right? Police interceptor. Usually it's either powered via a battery pack or with the USB connector. I changed it a little bit, so let's lift it up. And you can see down here, there's a little power connector, and inside the street here, there's another one. So that basically transfers the power to the car via the street, which is quite easy to put on and off again. So here you go, car has power again, makes a wonderful display. But how are the streets connected? Let me show you by removing some parts. So let's first remove this one because there's no power inside here. But this street here shares power with another street. So, oh wait, I forgot. They are connected here.
One eternity later.
So now, here we go. As you see, this one has the Bricksmax connector, the same one that the car is using as well. And obviously on the other side of the road, you see the opposite one as well. The next road has it a little bit differently set up, so let's move over to there. So this one, as you see here, on this side, it has the Lumibricks connectors. So therefore, here as well, I can get power from the apartment building. The road with the bicycle has both. So basically it picks up the power here over the Lumibricks connector and transfers it here to the Bricksmax connector for the next street. And if we look under it, how it's being done, it's basically here you just have the normal distribution panel. As you see here, it has 4 cables, 1 for the incoming power, 1 for the outgoing power, and 2 for the lights of this nice Tron bicycle. Hope you like this. Let me know if you have other ideas what to use those power transfers or power connectors to. And before you leave, right now is the 4th anniversary of Lumibricks, so if you go to their shop until May 31st, you can receive up to 30% discounts on some of those sets. Enjoy. See you. Bye-bye.